this is the highest quality presentation of me that you're ever gonna get. So off the gate, out the gate, off the cuff, off. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew. I've got a lot of stuff on my lap and it's making noise. What are we doing? Oh, it's box week, day 3. Sorry. Well, I guess it's time, if you're brand new to my channel, that you just realize that this is the highest quality presentation of me that you're ever gonna get. So off the gate, out the gate, off the cuff, off. I'd like to start this video over, but I don't feel like it'll be successful, so we're gonna stay in. As my workout instructor in my HIIT class says, stay in. So we're just gonna stay into this video. Box week is the best week every month on my YouTube channel. So this is the best of the best every week on my YouTube channel. And it's the one week every month, me and my YouTube subscribers, we spend 7 consecutive days together. You're catching us on day 3, so right at the front end of box week. And so basically we open my subscription boxes, we hang out, we comment back and forth, we make friends in the Justlikedrew crew. So if you want to be in my YouTube family and you're not already and you're sold, just click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever little family, and come see more videos of this caliber. That's the word I'm looking for. Okay, so tonight we're going to be opening up Macy's beauty box. I'm doing it like this because like my address is like right here, and I feel like with how this is going, I need to be extra careful with just how I'm interacting with like the camera and stuff right now. We will be putting items tonight into our stockpile giveaway, which is this box full of goodies right here. I'm trying to tilt it without dumping everything out because that would just be something I would do right now. So basically what that box is the box of items that I've gotten in subscriptions last month and this month, and as soon as it is full, which it will be full by the end of this month, spoiler alert, we'll be giving that away on my YouTube channel. And how that'll work is is my collar messed up? Okay, sorry, back to this. We're gonna be I'll be posting a video, I'll do it, post a video about this box and how you can win it. I will tell you that you will need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I will give all the instructions in that video at the end of this box week, probably like with whatever. So, okay, I'm just gonna get into this box. So I have my handy dandy pocket knife, man, Mr. John Wayne. I'm gonna turn this actually and open it upside down, because my address, like I said, is just like right there. And Macy's Beauty Box is a subscription that's been out for over a year. It's $15 per month. It's hit or miss. So either it's like the best box ever, or it's kind of like, I could leave it. So every month they give you a little booklet. I don't want to look at it because the cover, like they show you everything inside of it, and I'm like, please don't ruin the surprise for me. A little booklet that, okay, mine is all messed up. Mine is complete, well, you know what? That makes sense. So basically what I was trying to get at to show you is that every month they give you a little card. Last month it was like $10. This one is $5, where you get $5 off of a $5 beauty purchase. My little hack that I tell people about is you go on there, you could buy a couple of face masks for like $6. You pay the $1 and you get free shipping on everything beauty product related from Macys.com. So that's just my little life hack that I've learned from that. Every month they give you a makeup bag. Ooh, look at that. It's little, it's like closed eyelashes. And it says all about eyes. So my assumption is that this bag is going to be focused on eyes. And I don't like the fact that it's lashes, only because you guys know that I am incapable of self-applying false lashes. So for me, it's like a little bit of a rough spot. But I mean, it's a cute bag for people who can wear false lashes. For me, it's a sad moment. So I'm going to get into this right now and open up the bag here to see what we got inside. It's taking forever. I'm struggling badly today, as you know. All right, the first thing that we have is Purity Philosophy Hydra Bounce Eye Gel. So this is a sample from Philosophy. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Look at that focus coming in. Oh, maybe not. Where it is a hydrating eye gel product from Philosophy, and I'm trying to get it out of the box to see if I can even test it on the back of my hand. I want to point out that I'm kind of embarrassed that we're 4.5 minutes in and I'm just now getting to products. Well, that's just, okay, well, it is what it is. I mean, there's nothing we can do about it now. All right, putting a little bit on the back of my hand. Doesn't feel like there's very much in here. I thought it was gonna maybe be like clear because it's like a gel, but no, it doesn't feel like a gel. It feels kind of like a cream. Doesn't really have much of a scent to it. I guess like it has kind of like a more like stiff feeling to it, so I don't know if it'll actually work on my under eyes or not, but we'll see. Hopefully it does. We got a sample of Calvin Klein Eternity for Men, which I will not be sampling because I think I've smelled that probably a billion times before. And then we got Calvin Klein Women as a scent fragrance, so I will test out this one and see what that smells like. Hopefully it smells good. If you know me, you know I have a fragrance issue where very rarely do I find a fragrance I like, so we'll see if I like this one. I don't prefer this. I'll just leave it at that. It's like, it's almost okay, and then there's something at the end of the smell where it's just kind of like, ooh, that thing just rubbed me the wrong way. So that's just a me thing. It's probably really great on a lot of people. There's just like some, I don't know, it kind of gives me a little bit of like a high school locker room feeling. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. All right, the next item that we have in the bag is 12 times more volume Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara Sample. I'm going to put this into the giveaway box. I actually just got mascara, I think it was last night's box that I got it, and I kept it and I've been using it, so I'll put this in the giveaway box now that I'm set on mascara. The next item that we have is Girlactic Precise Eyeliner and Marker in Black Noir. Alright, ooh, I've never tried Girlactic Beauty Eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to try that. It's like a felt tip liner. I don't know why I really tested that. I honestly don't ever know why anyone tests out black eyeliner when they're like unboxing. Just because it's like, it's black eyeliner and I just feel like we already know what that's going to be like. So I don't know. It's kind of weird. I'm trying to, there's stuff falling everywhere. The next item, where's the next item? Where's the next item? The next item is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex Synchronized Recovery. So this is a Estee Lauder eye night cream, I'm guessing. I'm going to put this in the giveaway box because I don't see any more items, and I definitely want to put at least a couple items in the giveaway box from this tonight. So honestly, my feeling about this specific bag this month is kind of like not really that, I don't know, it's kind of meh to me, being honest. They gave out a couple of like very small samples of like creams to try out, and they've given out a lot of Estee Lauder before. The only thing that I guess I see is like kind of like more of a value point would be like the eyeliner, because it's like a full size. But otherwise, you know, I just feel like they kind of were a little bit stingy. And then like 2 fragrance samples, I don't feel like those really count as like an item in the box. I'm sorry, like I just feel like in order to count that as something, I guess, like you give out fragrance samples kind of with any purchase that you would buy from them anyway. So the fact that they're giving out 2 fragrance samples as like items in your box that you paid $15 for, I feel like that's a little bit of a miss on their end. So to recap, we got the 2 Calvin Klein fragrances, one for him, one for her. The one for her was not that fabulous. We got the Girlactic Beauty Black Eyeliner, which I tested on my hand, and I told you I don't know why people test black eyeliner even though I just did it. We got the, oh, there was one more item. My bad. Ooh, sorry. My bad. Okay, I just said some negative stuff. Awkward. It's Bare Minerals Prime Time Eyelid Primer, but I honestly thought this was the Philosophy product. I didn't realize it, so there's one more item. Ooh, I kind of just feel a little bit bad, but kind of don't, because still, again, this is really tiny. Like, I just feel like they gave like really, really stingy samples this month. Sorry, not trying to be negative. I feel like the products they gave out are good, but the sample sizes are so small that it's like you can't really get much of value. So I'm just gonna put this in the giveaway box because I actually just recently got eyeshadow primer. Awkward. The Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream I'm putting in there as well. And we are putting in the Monsieur Lancome Big Mascara. And then like again we got the Philosophy Eye Gel Cream. So overall, like I said, I'm not really that thrilled with it, honestly. Like this is one of those months that I kind of would possibly consider canceling it just because I don't really think we got much of a value. So I don't know, that's just my feedback. Like I said, not trying to be negative. I just feel like, you know, there's other months where they have produced really good quality stuff, and I feel like this month they kind of just did a lot of items that you could already get as like gifts with purchase from them already, or like for instance Sephora does the same thing. You get items that are just kind of small and they're just sample sizes, and I'm paying $15, so the expectation is kind of that they're going to give out kind of bigger products, as well as I would feel like they give out products that you don't normally get as samples when you buy stuff already. So that's just my feedback. Again, not trying to be bratty or whatever, but I do get a lot of subscriptions, so I kind of, you know, I guess I kind of see what people give out in general. So that's it. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we're literally the best around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of October box week. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. I'm gonna go, sorry about that, it was a little concerning, to open up the box tonight, popping the seal on that, and I'm gonna put this down away from me because it's like scaring me how much I was just like